Welcome back to the Tyreman Unplugged, your go-to source for the latest updates in the world of tyres. I'm your host, David Wilson, and if you want to stay up to date with the latest goings-on in the tyre industry, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more tyre news. Now, let's start with episode 3. Our first story takes us into the realm of electric vehicles with Hankook's latest innovation, the ION FlexClimate. Specially designed for the European market, this all-season tyre is a game changer for EVs. Join us as we explore the key features, including 3D sipes for exceptional grip, a Pro Grip tread mixture for optimised adhesion on wet surfaces, and a reinforced belt with aramid fibres to address the weight of EVs. The ION FlexClimate aims to enhance driving safety, extend battery range, and reduce energy consumption for electric vehicles. Visit our website to read full details on this innovation. Moving on to our second story, Prinx Chengshan took the spotlight at the Specialty Equipment Market Association SEMA show 2023 in Las Vegas. The high-end Prinx brand made its North American debut, showcasing products like the High Country HT2 urban SUV tyre, RT-HR1 off-road tyre, and the HM1 mud tyre. The all-season high-performance 4S series tyre, designed specifically for North American users, stole the show with its enhanced wet surface performance and snow grip. We delve into the success of the Prinx and Fortune brands as they unveil the robust capabilities and innovations that capture the attention of the industry at SEMA. Head on to the Tyreman website now to discover the full story. And now for our grand finale, let's talk about style and performance coming together with the latest Subaru Levorg Layback. Introduced in September 2023, this model is turning heads with its factory-fitted Falken Ziex ZE001 all-season tyres, supplied by Sumitomo Rubber Industries. Discover the versatile performance of these high-performance tyres, offering excellent steering stability and fuel efficiency on both dry and snowy surfaces. We explore Sumitomo Rubber's cutting-edge simulation technology with optimised tread patterns for superior roadability on snow and the advanced rubber compound that balances road resistance with grip performance. Join us as we unveil how these tyres are enhancing the driving experience on the latest additions of Subaru's SUV lineup. And that concludes another episode of the Tyreman Unplugged. If you're interested in the latest tyre innovations, don't forget to drop us a comment and hit the like button. Your engagement keeps us rolling. Until next time, stay tuned and stay informed.